So set 4. Hmm? Heterospory and seed habit are exhibited by a non-flowering plant which also possesses ligule. Okay. Selaginella multiplies vegetatively through tubers होगा, resting buds होगा, fragmentation भी होगा. Answer all of these. True heteromorphic alternation of generation is found in Selaginella. क्या बात है भैया. Informs the opening mechanism of sporangium is effectively operated by stomium. Wow. Spores in fern and mosses are attracted to the archegonium due to chemotaxy, chemical secretion, and it helps to attract the archegonium due to chemotaxy. In which of the following group would you please place a plant which has vascular tissue produces seeds but no flowers and fruits, that is gymnosperms. Pinus gymnosperms differs from mango or angiosperms in uncovered ovule. An oldest living fossil that has not changed for the last several thousands of years, that is Ginkgo biloba. Important question. Ginkgo biloba. Most of gymnosperms lack vessels in xylem. Yes, they lack it. Sieve tubes and companion cells in phloem. Yes, so all of the answer, both A and B. Okay. In gymnosperm, stems have so secondary growth to produce wood. This wood is non-porous, homozygous, and soft. In cycas, wood of old stem is monozylic and polyzylic. The coralloid roots of cycas are negatively geotrophic and have algal zone. The spermatozoid of cycas are multiciliated, top-like, and largest. Wood of Pinus is pycnozylic and monozylic. The number of chromosomes in pollen grains of Pinus is 6, and the chromosome number in its endosperm after fertilization will be 6. At the time of dehiscence, winged pollen grain of Pinus is 4-celled. In gymnosperms, microsporangia are borne on abaxial sides of a microsporophyll in male cone. Sulfur Sulfur sour produces yellow clouds in pine forest in May in hills. It is due to dehiscence of winged pollen grains of Pinus. Cleavage of polyembryony is found in Pinus. In Pinus, seeds and microspores are winged. Yes, endosperm is haploid and represents female gametophyte. Yes, fruits and flowers absent and seeds are naked. Yes, seeds are naked. So all of the answer. Which of the following is the primitive gymnosperm? Primitive gymnosperm बहुत पुराना तो साइकस होगा ना. Cycas has two cotyledons only, yet it is classified as gymnosperm and not as dicot plant because of its ovules are naked. Yes, gymnosperm has naked ovule, but angiosperm does not. The male gametophyte of cycas consists of what? One prothallel cells plus one tube cell, one stalk cell, two motile sperms. That is the answer. Sago obtained from cortex of stem of cycas revoluta is given to patients with stomach easily digestible with less starch content. 24. Cycas reproduces vegetatively by bulbil. It is vegetatively reproduces by bulbil. Dwarf shoot of Pinus is shed after 2 to 3 years. The embryo of Pinus is polycotyledonous. Okay. The plant that produces timber, medicine, edible fruit, other economic substances is Pinus. Vessels are found in most of the angiosperm and a few gymnosperm. Which one pair of examples will correctly represent the grouping spermatophyte according to one of the schemes of classifying plants, ginkgo and pizum? Yep. Origin of angiosperm takes place during the Mesozoic era. Characteristics of angiosperms which distinguish them from gymnosperm. Okay. Presence of fruit and flower, no. Double fertilization and triploid endosperm formed after double fertilization, nope. And companion cells in phloem and vessels in xylem, nope. So answer is all of the above because all answers are correct. ऑप्शन ए बी सी नहीं होगा, सिर्फ ऑप्शन डी होगा क्योंकि उनके पास फ्रूट फ्लावर होते हैं, डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन, ट्रिप्लॉइड एंडोस्पर्म, 3n एंडोस्पर्म, 2n फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है, एंड 3 कंपेनियन सेल्स इन फ्लोएम एंड वेसल्स इन जाइलम। सो ए बी सी आंसर नहीं होगा। अगर कोई बच्चा होगा ना जो एकदम से आंसर दे के इसको टिक मार देगा, बट ऐसा नहीं करना बच्चे, सबको देखना है और उसके बाद ऑल ऑफ दी अगर होगा उसको क्लिक करना है, ठीक है। ऑल ऑफ द आंसर। एंडोस्पर्म ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म इज अ डैश स्ट्रक्चर, ट्राइप्लॉइड स्ट्रक्चर। A total root parasite is oro branch on Solanaceae crops, नहीं होगा। आंसर ठीक है बट ऑप्शन नहीं होगा। स्ट्राइका ऑन सोरगम, यस आंसर सही है बट नहीं होगा। सप्रिया राफ्लेसिया ऑन ट्रीज, यस आंसर सही है बट नहीं होगा। तो आंसर ऑल ऑफ दी होगा। कुस्कुटा इज ए कॉमन डैश पैरासाइट। Bird parasite of South Africa is a plant pollinated by songbirds. This plant is Strelitzia. Choose the correct match. Bladderwort, sundew, Venus flytrap. ओके, ब्लैडरवार्ड को क्या बोलते हैं? यूट्रिकुलरिया। संड्यू को ड्रोसेरा साइंटिफिक नेम। वेनस फ्लाईट्रैप को डायोनिया। तो आंसर नंबर सी। चूज द करेक्ट पेयर। कुस्कुटा पैरासाइट होता है, पहले देख चुके हैं क्वेश्चंस में। मार्क द नेशनल ट्री ऑफ इंडिया। नेशनल ट्री क्या होता है इंडिया का? पिपल ट्री। साइंटिफिक नेम फाइकस रिलीजियोसा। टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म 2,68,000 and Dryopteris differ from Funaria in having an independent sporophyte. Dryopteris have an independent sporophyte, but Funaria does not. Angiosperms have dominated their land flora primarily because of their nature of self-pollination, नहीं, property of producing large number of seeds, हाँ ये थोड़ा तो लग रहा है बट नहीं। डोमेस्टिकेशन बाय मैन, ये बिल्कुल नहीं। पावर ऑफ अडाप्टेबिलिटी इन डाइवर्स हैबिटेट, यस ये डाइवर्स हैबिटेट में खुद को रख पा रहा है, इसलिए ये लैंड फ्लोरा में बहुत डोमिनेटेड करता है अदर प्लांट के ऊपर। द नंबर ऑफ इंटेगुमेंट इन द सीड्स ऑफ पाइनस इज 3 इंटेगुमेंट आर देयर। Which of the following is not the feature of gymnosperm? Xylem with vessels. जिम्नोस्पर्म में जाइलम तो होता है, वेसल्स कहाँ होता है? जाइलम के साथ वेसल्स नहीं। Which one of the following is not characteristics feature of bryophyte? Dominant gametophyte generation, yes. Filamentous rhizode, yes. Amphipoids habitat, yes. तो तीनों ऑप्शन नहीं होंगे। पूछा क्या है? Is not. So vascular tissue उनके पास नहीं होता है, तो ये आंसर होगा। Which one of the following contains xylem vessel? Angiosperm, simple and सटीक। Top-shaped, multiciliate male gamete and seeds with 2 cotyledon occurs in cycads, बहुत सही। Ectofloic siphonostele is found in Osmunda and Equisetum. In most, the sporophyte is partially parasite on the gametophyte. Which of the following is mismatched? Phaneros visible, yes. Phanerogams मतलब angiosperm, these are visible, yes. Crypto मतलब concealed, नहीं दिखता। Gymnosperm naked, yes. Bryophyte liverworts, नहीं, गलत। ये एक टाइप होता है ब्रायोफाइट का। ट्राकिया विंड वाइप, यस। द साइंस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन इज कॉल्ड टैक्सोनॉमी। Homo generic name, species name, sorry, sapiens specific name. Which is the father of taxonomy? Carlos Linnaeus. Radial symmetry is found in Coelenterata. No protozoa, no flatworm, no arthropoda. Protocodata consist of Urochordata, Cephalocordata. एकदम simple and सटीक। सब फाइलम यूरोकोडाटा include marine animals. क्या बात है. The class members have all the following feature except that respiration is not through the lungs. In phylum Aschelminthes, the alimentary canal is complete. एकदम सही. An example of phylum Echinodermata is starfish. पहले से पढ़ चुके हैं. Chondrichthyes are also called cartilaginous fishes. ना bony fish, ना lamprey, ना creeping vertebrae. आंसर होगा cartilaginous fish. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carlos Linnaeus. A group of freely interbreeding organisms constitute a species. Which taxonomic term may be substituted for any rank in the classification taxon? In Whittaker system of classification, unicellular organisms are grouped under Protista. बहुत बार पूछा गया सवाल Protista आंसर होगा. Algal partner of lichen is Phycobiont. क्या होगा? Phycobiont. बहुत सही. Venus flower basket is the dried skeleton of Euplectella. Zoology +2 second year. Guanocytes are unique to Porifera, है ना. Mesoglia is the characteristics of Cnidaria. In Platyhelminthes, the excretory organs are flame cells. क्या होगा? फ्लेम सेल्स होगा, है ना. आंसर अरे एक सेकंड रुको. आंसर होगा फ्लेम सेल्स. क्या आंसर होगा? फ्लेम सेल्स. सो ये हो गए हमारे 68 क्वेश्चंस विद देयर आंसर्स. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. सो थैंक यू बच्चों.